Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SANP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis. I did it yesterday, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And definitely want to get some updates here made as, assuming you're a rational person, then yeah, from where the price was at its low points to where it closed right there, then you would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very, very nice bounce on the day. And with that bounce comes a couple of updates. The first update always being a good one, and this comes from a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 0015, for those of you that watched yesterday's video, was an area of resistance, but now that the price was able to get back up above there during the final 30 minutes, this would be considered an area of support and what I would call the ideal level of support. Meaning, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying that everything's totally ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above it, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. In the event the price doesn't hold above it, from a big picture perspective, you still have this level down here at 001, which I talked about yesterday, but I'll just leave it at that because as it stands right now, the price is way up there, so no point in spending any more time at 001. But 001, 015, those two levels of support, going into next week. As far as levels of resistance, the very near-term level of resistance is right here at the purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, and that'll be not very far off right now, valued at 0017. So keep an eye on that as far as if this momentum is going to continue. That'll be the initial hurdle. Next big hurdle after that is going to be up here at let's see, what is that value? 0021. If you go back here through the history of the chart, you can see that on several occasions the bulls try to press up through there, but the bears knocked it down several times. But moral of the story here, after today's price movement, very, very nice bounce. Now it's just a matter of can the bulls continue to build upon this bounce going forward. We shall see next week, but great way to end the week.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.